2025 could very well be the year that Samsung reshapes the way we think about AI in smartphones. Rumors are swirling with some major hints dropping from well-known sources in the tech community, suggesting that the upcoming Galaxy S25 series could be a game-changer. It's not just about competing with Apple anymore. Samsung is aiming to lead the charge in mobile artificial intelligence, and it's clear that the tech giant is preparing for something monumental. According to trusted leaker Ice Universe, there's a significant AI leap coming in the Galaxy S25, and it could redefine what we expect from smart devices. For Samsung, 2025 is shaping up to be a year of bold moves, with the Galaxy S25 series set to play a key role. Powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite application processor, the S25 models, from the standard edition to the Plus and Ultra versions, are expected to deliver some of the most advanced AI features ever seen in a smartphone. What makes this exciting is that all of this AI magic is happening directly on the device, which promises improved privacy and performance. This focus on local processing could revolutionize how we interact with our phones, making them smarter without relying on cloud-based systems. Looking back at 2024, Samsung already impressed us with AI advancements like Live Translate, Magic Compose, and innovative photo editing tools. But as we move into 2025, it seems the company is pushing the boundaries even further. While we can expect the return of these popular features, new AI capabilities are reportedly in the works that could set Samsung apart from competitors, including Google. Ice Universe has hinted that what Samsung is preparing isn't just an update. It's something much more significant, something that will redefine AI in the smartphone space. The idea that Samsung is sitting on major surprises with little to no leaks about its next steps only builds the excitement. One of the most talked about features is the possibility of a free trial of Gemini Advanced, which is rumored to offer next-level AI functionality, further solidifying Samsung's commitment to leading in this area. The Unpacked event scheduled for January 22, 2025 will likely be the stage where these innovations are unveiled, and it's shaping up to be an announcement that could shake the tech world. Based on what we know, Samsung appears set to challenge Apple head-on with a focus on mobile AI that goes far beyond what we've seen from the competition. Speaking of Apple, the iPhone has certainly made strides in incorporating AI into its devices, with features like Apple Intelligence in the 18.1 and 18.2 versions of iOS, and even more updates expected in iOS 18.4. However, when compared to the advances we've seen from Samsung and Google, Apple's AI capabilities feel more reactive and groundbreaking. Despite their efforts, it seems Apple is still playing catch-up rather than setting the pace for the industry. This gives Samsung a golden opportunity to take the lead and establish itself as the true innovator in AI-powered smartphones. It's this potential for Samsung to push the envelope and surprise us with something entirely new that has tech enthusiasts buzzing. Whether or not the new AI features leak before the Unpacked event, one thing is clear. Samsung is working on something that could truly redefine the smartphone experience. The company's focus on cutting-edge technology and bold innovation means the Galaxy S25 series is likely to raise the bar for AI in mobile devices. The excitement around the Galaxy S25 isn't just about the hardware, it's about Samsung's promise to lead the AI revolution in smartphones. As we head into 2025, the anticipation is palpable. If Ice Universe's predictions hold true, Samsung's AI features will not only challenge Apple's current offerings, but could redefine what we expect from a smartphone in the AI age. It's an exciting time for tech lovers as the future of mobile technology is unfolding right before our eyes. Stay tuned for all the latest updates as we get closer to Samsung's big reveal at the Unpacked event. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for the tech world, and Samsung's bold move into AI could very well be the catalyst that reshapes the future of smartphones. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest news, and be sure to join us for more tech updates. We'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.